And a machine fire IRM ref for Jamaica versus game. Roughest out here, hear me talk. No pussy test. No in earth.
Yo. What is up, guys? Jamaica's game here with another reaction. Woo! Today, guys, we are with a Knaxx, yeah, man. Vendetta J. With Shoot Them Again. Yes, it's a visualizer. Look at the Vendetta artist. I'm ready for show out now, man. I want to go on. Knaxx, let's jump down and hear us here. Let's go.
And shoot them again. And shoot themselves already.
Joshy, straight at Joshy. Straight at Joshy. Murder time, him say, alright.
Bumbo clad, I inform on your be well known for your switch. Love squeegee 𝐑𝐄𝐂𝐓𝐿 cause that a spit. Man walk up on him fire, this a me no miss. Mash more trashy, watch it talk them from your lip. Catch them again, pile on the football pitch mount a.
Straight, him gonna Joshy. Straight, not now, yes, over there. Joshy, I get all heap of binds now. Man say mash more, Joshy. Man say mash more, Joshy. Better people, them one of them. One of them, so the artist run out there. Walk on. Alright. Yeah. Man say you're informer, bro. You're well known for that too. Remember say you're switchy. Remember say you're switchy.
Informer you be well known for your switch. Love squeegee 𝐑𝐄𝐂𝐓𝐿 cause that a spit. Man walk up on him fire, this a me no miss. Mash more trashy, watch it talk them from your lip. Catch them a get pile on the football pitch. Mount a hand finish crime bow, but then you no fix.
Man say him catch you or get piled on the football pitch. Remember say Joshy love the ball game, you know. So him say yo listen, we're gonna catch you when you least expect it, pussy, on the football pitch, pussy. What here you out? That fans one of them, man. That fans one of there. Who are still active, dog? Alright, thought, make up yourself. Ramicon, make up yourself. Ready? Alright.
You be well known for your switch. Love squeegee 𝐑𝐂𝐓𝐿 cause that a spit. Man walk up on him fire, this a me no miss. Mash more trashy, watch it talk them from your lip. Catch them a get pile on the football pitch. Mount a hand finish crime bow, but then you no fix. Touchy from a 50, we kill your whole family. For who know war that a joke. Friend killing and no way cannot feel.
Man say yo, for no war that a joke thing, bro. Friend killing that and no we that, bro. Friend killing and no our thing that.
We kill your whole family for who know war that a joke. Friend killing and no way cannot feel rated. We no underrated. You rocky latest, you full of got beer chip.
Man say yo, you're not rated, we not underrated. So you must say yo, your ratings don't matter to me, bro. Cause we not underrated, so we don't need the ratings to be up there. You understand? Yeah, we not underrated pussy, so you're not rated.
No fix, touchy from a 50, we kill your whole family for who know war that a joke. Friend killing and no way cannot feel rated. We no underrated. You rocky latest, you full of got beer chip. They tell us not feel rated. We no underrated. You rocky latest, you full of got beer chip. They tell lucky place, no care with them wanting. Fire occupation, artist, a waitress.
Bumbo clad, the man say, that's a lucky place, no matter what you want think. Me not care what you want think. Then they move on and say something else.
That's a lucky place, no care with them wanting. Fire occupation, artist, a waitress.
And your occupation and an artist, a waitress. Some man say you're a waitress, bro.
That's a lucky place, no care with them wanting. Fire occupation, artist, a waitress. Face to your facelift, can't spend the racing. Dead already frosting, with dash with the wastage. Dump them a Cambridge, who them a play with me cheaper than a ears ring. No know what it feels like.
The man say me cheaper than a ears ring to blood clot.
Dump them a Cambridge, who them a play with me cheaper than a ears ring. No know what it feels like. Half of them, yeah, half of them, yeah. People ask for them there. Take off the crown, bury the headless. Senseless for me dog, then senseless.
Hold on. Take off the crown, bury them headless. Can't have the crown now. So I must say, I must shoot have a Gaza too. We yet.
Half of them, yeah, half of them, yeah. People ask for them there. Take off the crown, bury the headless. Senseless for me dog, then senseless.
Okay, alright. Take off the crown, bury them headless. So you remember, explain to them, say your head of your crown already. So maybe a that him attack, but him just use it for make we ask these questions. If I can't tell him attack, but if you're not smart enough to know, say yo, that shot there, it's not for cartel or it could be for cartel. Depends on how you look at it. This is the reason why he put it to make you think. Who him attack when they mention Crown? You understand? Yeah. And at the same thing, Massacre did do one time. Massacre tell Tommy say yo, he may shoot off the Crown, blah blah blah. So Crown talk and circulate. Yeah, we get it.
Take off the crown, bury the headless. Senseless for me dog, then senseless. Half of them, yeah, half of them, yeah. 12 shot bigger than a bembe. You shot yourself.
Man, so me give you a shot bigger than a bembe. You know what a bembe is? Bembe is, you have the normal size marble, you have the big size marble. That's the bembe. Yeah. So you must say, yo, this shot them bigger than a bembe. Vendetta one a delayed.
Come in a farid.
Them, yeah, half of them, yeah. 12 shot bigger than a bembe. You shot yourself, so me shoot him again then. A fish just up in a pin, couldn't tell them.
The man say, yo, wait. The man say, you shot your face. No, him say, you shot yourself. And we do it again here. Then him say, a fish dress up in a pink. Hold on. Because of the second person me hear mention a pink something in the dog. This is my attack. More show them. This is my attack. See that picture like this? Yeah, this is my attack. Just up in a pink. Yeah. This is my attack. This is G attack. See? So yeah, don't get it twisted. This is G attack. So alright, so make we go back to the track, dog. Yo, artists are around to take that shit pink clothes. Yo.
Fish just up in a pink, couldn't tell them. Not all of them, yeah, half of them, yeah. 12 shot bigger than a bembe. You shot yourself, so me shoot him again then. A fish just up in a pink, couldn't tell them. Not action. Matting, me no chat long.
Man say not, man say that action and not action. What I'm saying?
You shot yourself, so me shoot him again then. A fish just up in a pink, couldn't tell them. Not action. Matting, me no chat long.
Man said not action and matting. You see Alkaline fall upon the interview. I say matting. So I must say yo, matting, we no talk long.
Pink, couldn't tell them. Not action. Matting, me no chat long. Them a batsman, 10 fish a tracksman. Category stand, them a pussy old madman.
Pussy class.
Them a batsman, 10 fish a tracksman. Category stand, them
10 fish a tracksman, so 10 tick him attack. 10 tick a tracksman. Him and 10 tick was going at it with it and then it just fizzled out. So he must say, yo, 10 tick a tracksman, you see me?
a pussy old madman. Get the place that get a lantern. Catch them fast in a van. Bust just head and yam bam. All right, no the black one. Look how far you fall off from.
Man say, yo, catch Dashi and yam bam. I'll run on the black one. I'm saying run on the black one. I'm just said black one.
Yam bam. All right, no the
oh, run on the black one. Man say, look how far you fall off from.
black one. Look how far you fall off from. Slaughter them, yeah. Half of them, yeah. People ask where them there. The coffee crown bury the headless. Senseless for me dog.
That's what I want to say.
Slaughter them, yeah. Half of them, yeah.
That's about ready for run out there now. Can't see him cause I run out there now. Cause boy outside in the dash.
Just up in a pink, couldn't tell them.
Whoa.
I'm gonna tell them in case them don't know you see.
Cause boy outside in the
Know the place, man.
so yo, cause boy outside. So that does that mean we can expect a banger from Alkaline anytime soon? Cause the G outside a rep. So Vendetta show out now. So I wanna say, when ready for Vendetta enter? Let me know anything what I wanna do in the comment section. Please don't forget to follow me on Instagram. My link is in the description. Also follow me on Twitch. My link is also in the description. Alright?
Yeah, Rars gave her the review your face, the dog. If face to your fall.